Love tips that actually work. Part 3. If you watched part 1 and part 2, now you understand love better than most people. But today we go deeper than feelings. Today you learn the truth about attraction and why some people fall in love and others lost it. Stay until the end. This will change how you see love forever. Welcome. My name is Mr. Jonas. Please click subscribe, click and wait comment. 15. Attraction needs mystery. If someone knows everything about you too fast, they lose interest. Don't show everything at once. Don't be too available. Mystery creates curiosity. Psychology: the brain is attracted to what it wants to understand. 16. Confidence is attractive. Confidence is power. Work with confidence. Speaker with confidence. Believe in yourself. People are attracted to confidence, not neediness. If you don't believe in yourself, others will feel it. 17. Energy matters. Your energy speaks before your words. Positive energy attracts. Negative energy pushes people away. Be calm, happy, and focused. People stay where they feel good. 18. Don't overgive. Don't overgive. Giving too much too fast reduces your value. Don't always be available. Don't give all your time. Balance is important. Real love grows slowly. 19. Challenge creates attraction. If everything is easy, people lose interest. Don't agree with everything. Have your own opinion. Psychology: challenge creates emotionally excitement. 20. Heal before you love again. If you are broken, you will bring pain into your next relationship. Heal your heart. Run from your past. Learn from your past. Don't rush love. Health. Love starts with a healthy mind. 21. Love is a choice, not just a feeling. Feeling come and go, But real love is a decision to stay, to respect, to care. Strong relationship, strong relationships choose love every day. The deepest truth about love. Here is the truth most people don't know. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. If you want real love, become a better person. Final message. Love is not luck, it is understanding, it is growth, it is discipline. When you understand love, you stop chasing and people start choose you. Click like, click subscribe and wait, comment. I am becoming better. My name is Mr. Jonas. See you tomorrow. Thank you.